Hi guys, how are you doing? Today we are going to continue our classes, so class lesson number 2, and we are going to take some strike today, how to use nunchaku with some strike. So if you didn't subscribe, just do subscribe and activate the alarm to get our new lessons. So let's start with the straight strike. So you should follow lesson 1 is to contain the basic movement. If you did it, so you can flow with nunchaku. So today we are going to do some strike, and we can combine all together. So when you are up here, you can strike from the head here, one like this, from the head. So you got strike, you got strike, you got strike, you got strike. Should be outside, and watch your leg here. It should be outside. So strike, so strike, and watch your leg. So it will be strike, strike. And when you are here, you come back, chain, back, chain. You come back, chain. So strike, back, strike, back, strike, back. When you are here, you can continue your nunchaku and stop here. Squeeze your arm, stop. So here you are ready to continue movement, or strike again, or just strike, strike, move again, strike, forward strike, side strike, chain strike, position. And this position, you can hold nunchaku here. If you are using, you can use your leg. You can do some kicks by legs as well. So you can combine. So you can do some kicks by leg. So here you can release and continue your movement. So we got strike, back, strike, back, hit, chain, holding, and one more strike is straight strike. It's like a bullet, like snake. See, like snake. See how it is, and you can do it so fast. So it will be like this, and you can from here you can do chain strike and back. So here and back. So you should continue. When you do one strike, you come back, and you can one more, and back, all this chain and chain forward in here, and from here you can do leg, here inside. So kick here. So you can do all this. You can do one and back. So you can do one. So it should be like here, and when it will back, it will be like here. So you can do one and back again, or one and the other leg. So you can do 1, 2, 1, 2, and back. So all coming, this some kind of strike. So you know the infinity. This is the infinity. So you can do wider or lower. So da 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 da. Okay. So strike, one, back, forward, straight. So all in the head, chain, hit, chain, face, chain, face, chain, face, chain, chain, and you can continue your movement. Always the infinity movement. You can strike with infinity like this, and when you end like here with infinity, when you end like here with infinity, you can pop. So this is that strike. One more last strike for today. So you are here and quick, and your hand should be here waiting. So you do here and you do one strike and your hand here waiting. So the continuous cycle like this, and this should be here. After you got okay with all movement and the strike, you got okay. So if you got okay, so you can hold the strike as well. You can make this one the last one because it's a little bit difficult and you could hurt yourself. So strike. Thank you guys for watching, and by this strike combination, actually you know all Bروسلي technique combination and strike. If you watch Brósli fighting with Nunchaku, you will see if you follow lesson number 1, if you follow strike lesson number 2, and you practice on this only strike and this combination, actually you got all Brósli moves, and you can do combination between this and you got all moves. So you can train all this movement. So if you train hard, you can get this movement in 1 week. Really, in one week. If you train every day for 1 hour or 2 hours every day, for each day just 1 or 2 hours, you can get all this movement in 1 week. And after this you can try to do it so fast. For next time we are going to do some classes for wrist rolling. So we are going to do some classes for wrist rolling. This is like fancy stuff, more for fancy stuff. So you will not find Brósli in his fight he using wrist rolling, he using on the air nunchuck. No, you are in a fight, you are defending yourself. You will not use some fancy stuff and wrist rolling and finger rolling, wrist rolling. All this stuff we will know it later in the next lessons. But you will not in fight and defending yourself, you will not use wrist rolling. You will not do freestyle nunchuck and just do for show. You are not showing, you are defending yourself. So if you watch Brósli, so Brósli only use lesson 1 and lesson 2 strike movement. If you didn't subscribe yet, so subscribe, and thank you for your support and thank you for watching.